Now I ask you why to do research. Yeah, why to do research? Can you tell me? If you tell me, I will then go faster. Yeah. Why to do research? Why do you want to be researcher? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically, research main aim to help others.
Okay, you
So
want to help others. This is one reason. Another, yeah, Sharifuzzaman, why to do research? What is the necessity of research? To,
So,
to do higher study?
that,
Yeah.
yes, one is higher study.
Yes.
Another one, man seeks knowledge.
Yeah.
So study of knowledge, creation of knowledge, application of knowledge.
Yeah. Abir, what is the purpose of research? Why to do research?
For higher study and the creation of knowledge, as others said.
Okay. Let's take less time and explain. I will explain. I think you know all about this. I don't need to explain more. I just reading. This is the tool for building new knowledge and open doors for learning and means of understanding various issues and increase public awareness. Like as we don't know what to do with COVID-19, then research was going on. Then we know what to do. Okay, wearing mask or using hand sanitizer like this. And to become successful in business like Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn, they are continuously doing research to become successful. And this is also to support the prove the lies and support the truth. Like as if you argue with me, the hen is come first before eggs, then support it by the evidence or experiment or by research. Someone love reading, writing, analyzing, or sharing variable information, or it is a nourishment exercise of the mind, and it also creates new opportunities, find goals and says new opportunities for researchers. From a research, and a startup can be formed or a new company can be formed. There are many examples of this. So there are many opportunities for a researcher. And if I share with you, many of us confine research with the academia only. So it is not wise. There is a means to find goals and says opportunities outside the academia. And many people relate research to academic jobs only. This is not wise. This is I collect from maybe from research article. That is a researcher, a person with PhD can work in education sector, in government, in industry, in non-profit organization, in consulting, and services as an engineer in chemical and hospital data analysis or data entry or software, energy, and also other options are there. So if I show you, the distribution, the career pathways for PhD in science, this is not theoretical. This is practical. Okay, this is collect from research articles. So see, only 49%, that is 50% of PhDs are going to academia. Still, there are 51% options to work with PhD. So don't confine yourself to academia. There is, if I have PhD, I have to go, I have to work on academia. Not like that. You can work in anywhere. Okay. So I also mentioned some jobs, academic sector, industrial sector, non-profit sector, or outside academia. So you can do it by later.